how to transfer money from Dasher Direct to PayPal. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer money from Dasher Direct to PayPal. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Dasher Direct app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on more option which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you have to tap on move money. Here you have to tap on send money to someone. Now, let me tell you one thing that in Dasher Direct, if you want to transfer your money to PayPal, then you need to have a bank account because you will not be able to transfer your money from Dasher Direct to PayPal directly. In this situation, what you can do is you can either link your Dasher Direct card to PayPal, and with the help of that card, you can make transfers. Or the second thing that you can do is you can link your bank account with PayPal and then link that similar bank account with Dasher Direct. As of right now, this is the only method that you can try to transfer your money. So that's how you can transfer money from Dasher Direct to PayPal. That's all for this video.